Okay, I need to say something that nobody in Dubai real estate is saying right now. I moved to the city last year with zero real estate experience. And I'm sitting here watching people online panic about Dubai. Like, is it safe anymore? Prices are crashing. Should I wait? And literally, outside my office window, the city is completely normal. Developers are launching. Projects are selling out. Life is moving. I came from nothing in this industry. No networks, no leads. And I can see the gap, what people fears and what actually happening on the ground right now is massive. Fear create distance. And distance create opportunity. People moving quietly right now, not panicking, not posting scary headlines. Those are the ones who will look back at 2026 and say, that was the moment. I'm here. I see it every day. If you want to know what Dubai actually look like right now, not what the scary headline shows, just ask me.